Hello and welcome to another plant video. I have to do a lot of chores today, which I anyway would be doing whether I recorded it or not. So I thought let me try my best and actually record a bit of it. I'm a bit hyper today, so I am picking up these really long pending chores. They've been there for a long time. This one's a new plant, of course, which I received from Glenn in my last video. I need to repot this. There is this Patriciae, which is very long overdue for a repot. Since the time I got it, actually I haven't repotted it. It's just the way it came in the packaging, and then I didn't do anything about it. There is this Glorious again from Glen, which has not been repotted since the time I got it. I may not have enough soil, but we'll see if I can do this. And the main reason for today's video is this guy, my pink dragon. Is that what it is? Alocasia pink dragon. This, if you can see right here, is maybe about to break the glass even. It is so full of corms and roots, and the stalk has become so thick. This needs an instant repot. And then this is again from my friend's collection, Glenn's collection. It's a forgetii, which needs repotting because it's got these really amazing roots now. So the idea is to put this in semi-hydro. Look at those roots. So yes, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the most difficult one first. Difficult because this has a lot of work inside. There are a lot of corms which have started popping out. The stem has been putting out corms, and there are many inside. And the reason why I have been avoiding it because I don't know what to do with the corms. I don't want to make more plants out of them, and I may be unable to sell these or give them to someone, but we'll see how many are there and how they are and how big they are. But the plant which was doing so well has stopped doing so well because there's no space. So I was saying that this is in aqua soil. This is what it has always been in. And let's try and remove this. This is going to be very interesting, I think. I hope I don't break the glass. Oh my god. I have been so late in doing this. It's so bad. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at the roots. Poor little fellow is doing so well, but there's no space for it. Anyway, so there's so many corms which are of course like not even completely developed because there's no space. I may just throw them. Let's see. This one has grown here itself. Going to wash this and come back. Okay, so this is how the cleaned roots are looking. I'm not too finicky about cleaning them more because it was an aqua soil, not the normal soil, so that's fine. And no, this is too small. It's way too small. I'll have to get a bigger pot. This one seems to be fine, though it's small, but it'll be fine for now. Or should I go for a bigger one? I should go for a bigger one. I think so. Well, then I have this one. This is fine for now, I guess. The only thing is, this is like an orchid pot, so it has a lot of bigger holes, but I will try and put the bigger stones to cover the bottom. So there we go, this one's done. I'm gonna do this next because that's also with semi-hydro, and actually I can use this one for it. Just trying to cover the big holes with some big rocks. One last look at the roots, so beautiful, so pretty. this is done too. I'll of course be watering them in a bit. And getting on to this guy, the Regal shield. By the way, this was the corm harvest. We'll see later if they're any good. So this is the current condition. I think this is in soil. Oh, there's a huge corm. There's a huge corm in here. There are 2, 3, 4, 5. This is why I have started avoiding repotting alocasias, because they always have this added work of harvesting corms. I'm gonna wash this and come. Some corms dropping. So here we are. This is the stock. This is what we're working with. These are the corms. 6 of these 7 here, so total 7 corms. Let's pot this up. It's too small. Find something bigger. So this again has bigger holes, but I am going to put some leca to cover them. So a layer of leca at the bottom. And then we will add the PON. Just adding the stake right now itself. And that was the last of my semi-hydro mix, which has been lying open since almost a year now, I think. So yep, this is done too. I'll just clean up the mess and be back. Alright, so here are the 3 plants we just potted up. This is the pink dragon. I'm loving this pink IKEA pot with it. Then the Regal shield, looking really good. Fitted perfectly in that IKEA blue pot. And then of course the forgetii, right now just sitting in a basic food container reservoir that I've made. And I think just for today I'll leave them to be here to adjust. And I think I'm gonna wrap up here, because the other 2 plants can be done offline, which is the, let me show it. So which is the gloriosum and the Patricia, which pushed out this new leaf, by the way, and is now starting work on another one here. But I think I want to do this offline because there's too much mess and cleaning to be done. Already a bit breathless, and I have all these corms to think about. So yes, I'm gonna wrap it up here. A quick look at this new leaf from my monstera, the big one, to give it as a closing shot. And yes, I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you watched this video till the end. That's my Aurea new leaf, again from my friend's collection. And yes, let's wrap this video here, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you watched this. Bye bye.